Today I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine. Stay tuned. The first step in my wash day routine is to do a hot oil treatment with extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil has been really great in moisturizing my hair and helping me keep the balance of my scalp. So what I do is I apply this to my hair and then I massage it into my scalp. I've been doing this for many years and I think it's why my hair is so healthy. So the second step in my wash day routine is to apply coconut oil. What I do is I take the coconut oil, I rub it in my hands, and then I apply it on my hair. I go from roots to ends. This step is extremely important because coconut oil creates a really great slip. So when I'm washing my hair, my hands go through it like butter. It helps me retain my length and it helps me, not have a lot of breakage. So this has been part of my wash day routine for about 7 years as well. And I really think it's why I'm able to retain my length. So after I've applied the extra virgin olive oil to my scalp and the coconut oil to my hair, I then section my hair so my hair can really absorb the product. I'll keep this in for about 20 minutes, 30, sometimes longer if I have things going on. I've kept it in for days before, but then I will wash it out of my hair. So I consider all of this my pre-poo, doing my scalp treatment, putting the coconut oil on my hair, and then sectioning my hair. All right, so sit and let this marinate for a little while. I have some errands to do, so this is gonna look like this for a few hours. But 5 minutes, 10 hours, doesn't matter, it's just oil. So now it's time to rinse the pre-poo out. What I'm going to do is take each section down and allow the water to run through my hair. As the water is running through my hair, I'm taking my hands through my hair so that I can get rid of any shedding. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hair with oat protein and henna fuller, thicker, stronger, deep cleansing shampoo. I chose to use this one because I'm going to put a color wax on my hair and I want to make sure my hair is very strong before This is the shampoo I'm using, conditioner, rosemary and mint. This is super moisturizing and I want to make sure my hair has lots of moisture. My hair can get dry, it will eat whatever it has. So, yeah. Stay tuned. All right, so now I'm applying my oat protein and henna shampoo by Design Essentials. I'm going to use about a quarter size amount. And I've found that when I apply it on my hair and then section, it works a lot easier. I also shampoo my hair in sections, so I'm going to apply it from roots to ends, make sure coating all my hair, and then I'm going to also scrub my scalp with the shampoo. Now that I've completely coated my hair with the shampoo, it's time to rinse the shampoo out of my hair. First, I like to scrub my scalp, and then I like to let the shampoo just rinse straight off of my hair. I mainly focus on my scalp, and then I worry about rinsing the rest of my hair. Once my hair is completely clean and all the product is rinsed out, I apply my conditioner. I'm using Rosemary and Mint Conditioner by Design Essentials. I love the way this product smells. I start by applying it to the perimeter of my hair and just soaking my edges. Then I start sectioning my hair and coating my hair from roots to ends. When I apply conditioner, I want to make sure to coat every single strand so that I can have an easy process when I'm detangling. My process is really simple. I section my hair, apply the conditioner, detangle, and then I twist my hair all the way down. The reason I twist is because I want to make sure my hair really soaks up that product, and I do that till all of my hair is in twist. Once I finish twisting my hair, I massage my scalp to make sure the conditioner is really penetrating the hair shaft. And then I wrap my hair up in a plastic bag and let my hair sit in the conditioner for about 15 to 30 minutes. The best way for me to wash conditioner out of my hair is to go in sections. So I take a twist down, I rinse it, and once the conditioner is fully out of my hair, I apply my leave-in conditioner and stretch the hair to get it out of the way. The most important thing when rinsing the conditioner out is to use cold water. I mean, it sucks to be in cold water, but I mean, for great hair, is there really a price we wouldn't pay? So I use the K and Coconut leave-in conditioner. What I did is I used about a quarter size amount in my hand, and then I smoothed it into my hair, really making sure to massage it into my strands and get it on my scalp. Once the leave-in conditioner was fully applied to my hair, I twist my hair to get it out of the way. Depending on what style you're doing next, that would depend on how you want to stretch your hair. But for me, I was doing a twist out, so I just needed to get my hair out of the way. I was never a big leave-in conditioner person until I started going on my natural hair journey. I used to YouTube a lot of videos, and a lot of the girls would talk about leave-in conditioners to make sure you really coated your hair to soak in all the product. So leave-in conditioner has been in my repertoire for many years, probably since 2012, and this is how I apply it each time. Once I'm done applying my leave-in conditioner, I just massage my scalp to make sure the product is really penetrating the hair shaft, and then all done. So if you need to dry your hair, I'm going to leave the details for this scarf in the description. This is a great way to dry your hair without breaking it off. I hate towels because towels break our hair, but this is more of a rag material, so it gets your hair out of the way without breaking it, and it dries quickly. As always, thanks for watching.